Hello friends, welcome to the Daily Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about SHARKOON REV 300 White Tower Type PC case. So friends, SHARKOON Technology has introduced the REV 300 White, a tower type PC case with the 90-degree rotation layout and an impressive array of 7 addressable RGB fans. This new addition expands the REV 300 series, offering enthusiasts more options for their PC builds and 7 ARGB LED fans. The REV 300 White boasts a total of 7 ARGB LED fans distributed as follows: 3 front 140mm fans, 3 rear 120mm fans, and 1 120mm fans. The inclusion of an RGB controller allows users to customize LED colors and lighting patterns without relying on motherboard controls. And connectivity option provide front panel provide convenient I/O port including one USB Type-C, two USB 3.0, two USB 2.0, one audio and one microphone. And the form factor compatibility supports various form factors including eATX, ATX, Micro ATX and Mini ATX. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.